The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC, already under fire for its handling of the controversial 2023 elections, is now under renewed scrutiny. Civil society groups and opposition parties fear the culture of electoral fraud within ZANU-PF would spill over into national contests, with the ZEC again complicit in protecting ruling party interests. Sadabeda mashuka arikuonekwa kunzi aiwaziki panguva ino haichatombotrustiki pamwechete neZANU-PF yayo pachayo. Panguva ino ndombo subscribe like on the bell akunchimira panguva ino mbomudano pamuchinzi pazim ai. The Chirezi East scandal combined with the reversal of the NACHAMISA results reflects broader cracks in ZANU-PF's rival factions, aligned variously with President Emmerson Mnangagwa and VP Chiwenga scramble to place loyalists in strategic constituencies. Analysts warn that the primary elections have effectively become battlegrounds for factional supremacy, with outcomes manipulated to weaken internal challenges ahead of the 2028 general elections. Because the rigging we are seeing is not just about winning a seat, it's about securing control of the party machinery, said a senior ZANU-PF insider. Every constituency has become a proxy war. The internal contestation has overshadowed preparations for the June 28 by-elections, triggered by the death of NCZA North MP Faraita Vinga and the expulsion of KUTI East MP Benjamin Ganyiwa, while Langa was initially announced as the NCZA North candidate and Zvarewashe Mashingise as the KUTI East nominee. The internal disputes could doubt over both selections. The Citizen Coalition for Change CCC and other opposition outfits expected to contest the upcoming polls, but sustained arrest of their leaders, harassment of activists, and a closing democratic space suggest they face an uphill battle. Domashwa tukona panguva ina kuti ZANU-PF yakaparadza the opposition. Now yaparadza opposition, they are now embroiled in a deep chaos and factionalism. Right now pane mechanisms atikuna kuti marigiro ari kuitwa ma-elections panguva ino nema-factions, one iloya kuna VP Chiwenga nemwe iloya kune mutungamiri wenyika, kwaita kuti vave nema-clashes, kwaita kuti ma-elections ave nullified. Pina kuma section medu muzimafunguro enyu kuti kudipa msope chitu kwechi. Pina kuma section medu subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.